Namaste, viewers. It's Monday morning, May 19, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money 7 a.m. early morning news, where we provide you the latest, concise, and precise stock market wrap with accurate figures and numbers. Please mention your email in the comment section so that we can forward you the daily market wrap in your inbox at exactly 7 a.m. Indian Standard Time each weekday. The benchmark Indian equity indices, BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty 50, ended the week's last trading session on a lower note as investors rushed to book profit at higher levels. Following a range-bound session, Indian equity benchmark settled in the red on Friday and amid lack of fresh triggers and selective profit booking. At close, the Sensex was down 200 points or 0.24% at 82,330, and the Nifty was down 42 points or 0.17% at 25,020. For the week, BSE Sensex jumped 3.6% and the Nifty 50 added 4.2%. Sustained FII inflows and stable global markets are further contributing to the positive sentiment. Optimism is being fueled by expectations of imminent resolutions in US China and India US trade relationships, which are easing concerns over potential economic fallout. Bharat Electronics, Bajaj Auto, Adani Enterprises, Tata Consumer, Eternal were among the major gainers on the Nifty, while losers were Bharti Airtel, JSW Steel, Infosys, SBI, and HCL Tech. In stock-specific action, JSW Infrastructure and Bharti Airtel shares fell more than 2% on block deals. RVNL shares rose 9% on order win from Central Railway. Crompton Grew's consumer electronic shares jumped 7% on Q4 profit jumped 22%, and JSW Energy share price gained 3% post better Q4 earnings. Defense stocks also continue their upward trajectory, supported by a strong sectoral outlook. The broader markets outperformed the benchmarks with small cap shares leading the charge. The Nifty Small Cap 100 and the Nifty Mid Cap 100 indices closed with gains of 1.86% and 0.94% respectively. On the sectoral front, Nifty IT was the top laggard, followed by healthcare, metal, pharma, and financial services. Meanwhile, Nifty Realty, Media, Auto, Energy, FMCG, Consumer Durables, and Oil and Gas rose. In the US on Friday, Wall Street's main indexes rose on Friday for the fifth straight day, buoyed by the US China tariff truce earlier in the week, even as economic survey data showed a deterioration in consumer sentiment. All three major indexes boasted weekly gains for the week. The S&P 500 gained about 5.3%, while the Nasdaq rose 7.2% and the Dow added 3.4%. The S&P 500 has erased all its 2025 losses and is positive for the year as an air of normality returns to the market. Brent crude is currently $65.40 a barrel. Gold is rupees 92,880 per 10 grams and silver is rupees 95,490 per kilogram. Now the outlook for today. Nifty on the weekly chart has formed a sizable bull candle with a higher high and higher low, signaling continuation of the up move. The index in the process closed firmly above the December 2024 high of 24,857. On the daily chart, a small red candle was formed on Friday after a long bull candle on Thursday. This market action signals a breather type pattern in the market after a stellar rally. This market action is expected to be an upward continuation trend. Going ahead, Nifty is expected to maintain positive bias and head towards 25,200 to 25,300 levels. Some consolidation is likely around these levels, while a breakout above 25,300 will open further upside towards 25,750 in the coming weeks. The recent breakout zone, along with the last week's low placed near 24,400 to 24,500 levels, is expected to serve as a crucial support for the Nifty. Stock-specific action will continue to remain in focus as the Q4 FY25 earnings season progresses. Key stocks in focus: Divis Labs, Premier Energies, Delivery, Bharat Electronics, KEC International, Sun Pharma, PNC Infratech, Zen Technologies, Arvind Fashions, Galaxy Surfer Tanks, KRBL, Kalpataru Projects International, IOL Chemicals, Repco Home Finance, Credit Access Grameen, Dhampur Sugar Mills, Gujarat Alkalis, Kane Technologies India, Texmaco Rail and Engineering, Sterlite Technologies, and Dr. Reddy's Laboratories will be in focus on May 19th. And that's the wrap for today, my dear viewers. And if you got value from this, please do subscribe, share, and like this video as much as possible. I will see you again tomorrow morning. In the meantime, happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.